There's a spider under each purple pom-pom. There's a spider under each purple pom-pom.
Under each purple pom-pom. And you can't even see the spiders.
No, you can't when they're hiding under.
Ah, this one has a smallest level.
Good. And, oh, excellent. Is there two under that biggest one? Or just one?
One.
Good, okay. You did it then.
Oh,
Yes, good job. Okay, put everything back.
That was
We'll pass
so
it, yeah.
easy.
We
That's
put
so
everything
easy.
back in the tray and we'll pass it to Ayla. Let's get one more turn. Let him pass. Pass to Ayla. Easy, medium, or hard?
Okay, I'll pick easy.
Finn, do you want to tell Ayla the easy one?
The
Listen to Finn.
butterfly
Mm-hmm.
is under
Mm-hmm.
the gem,
It is a gem, a diamond.
a diamond.
The butterfly's under the diamond. Good job, Finn.
What? That would break it.
Excellent. That's exactly what Finn said. Good job being the talker, Finn.
Well, that looks beautiful.
Okay, put it in. We'll pass it to Demi.
Another butterfly?
We will put these back in. Okay, Demi, here's one for you. Ayla, can you tell this one to Demi?
Yes.
Don't show her. Demi, listen to Ayla.
The frog is in front of the log.
Mm.
Yeah.